Hi everyone, today I will show you how to change name in Overwatch 2. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. We enter Battlenet's application and click on our profile from the top right. Then we click on View Account. You do not need to come to this page from Battlenet's application. After you open your browser, you can type Battlenet in the search bar and log into your account. After logging into our account, we click on Account Details. Then we scroll down and we come to the part where the battle tag is. We click on Update. Here the site tells us that we can only change our name once for free, and if we want to change our name again later, we have to make a purchase for it. So be careful when changing your name and also remember to follow the battle tag naming policy. After choosing our new name, we click on Change Your Battle Tag. We changed our name. Now we will check if our name has also been updated in Battlenet's app. As you can see, we have successfully changed our name. If your name is updated on the site but does not change in Battlenet's app, try restarting the app. If it hasn't changed after restarting, log out of Battlenet and log back in. Your new name will most likely be updated. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.